Nos quedamos aquí en el árbol de manzana que tiene more than what?
20, around
Como 20, como 20 variedades de manzanas. Dice que tiene golden russet. What else? Odesso.
Gauche. Odessa. This is Gauche.
Ghost apple right here.
Yep. And then the big one is Dorset Golden.
Dorset gold. Ah, mira nomás. Qué
And
grandota.
this is the Sundowner on this side.
Sundowner.
This is Sundowner.
Oh.
Be careful.
I drop a bamboo stick.
Yeah.
Sundowner. What?
Sundowner right here. That's a branch of Sundowner.
Oh, that's sundowner right
Here. All the things. So that's Sundowner.
Sundowners.
I think this is a Hawaiian
apple.
Hawaiian apple.
Okay.
And this is a red Fuji.
Red
Calypso.
Fuji.
This is Calypso.
Calypso. And what about this big right here?
This is Dorset Golden.
Oh,
Dorset Golden is always like this.
Wow.
It's always huge.
This is the ghost apple right here.
Yeah, you just have to look at the tag.
The tag.
Ghost apple right there.
Sundowner.
This is William Pry in the central.
Hasn't waken up.
Oh, it's ants. It's a bunch of ants. That's why.
Oh, las hormigas ahí andan.
This is King David.
Oh, King
right
David.
here. This branch.
Oh, has little apples right there.
Yeah, it's a little apple right there.
Tiene manzanitas. Muy bien, tiene muchísimas variedades.
This is a longan.
Longan.
There's a bigger longan over there.
Okay, tell me the story of the longans. You have
That's a Kohala.
Kohala. How long?
This is about 6-7 years.
Dice que tiene como 6-7 años, pero miren nada más qué bonito árbol. Y what? You're gonna have a lot of fruit.
This baby flower.
Va a tener mucha fruta.
It's very cold tolerant. It's very easy to grow. The only thing that you have to baby it when it was a little bit younger, but when it's adapted to your area, it's really easy to grow.
Muy bien.
And then you there. This is why am I playing?
Zapodilla.
Not sapodilla.
Mamey.
Not a mamey. Canistel.
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 Oh, it's on a 5-gallon.
Yeah, Canistel.
Una macetita de 5 galones.
This is a jackfruit, and I grafted a quaimut on it. So
Okay.
the top part is a quaimut. This is a jackfruit and the
Esa es
bottom.
una guanábana.
This is cardamom.
De zapodilla. What's this?
This is canistel.
Canistel, perdón.
This is cardamom.
Cardamom. Ay, quién sabe cuál será.
This is a sour sop. Guava.
Guanábana. Oh,
Guanabana.
tiene guanábana. Wow.
This is a guanabana.
From a seedling?
No, we bought it as a craft. This is a Cubano variety.
Tiene guanábana, miren.
Last year it's die off. As you can see, all of this die off, and now it's growing out.
Wow.
Yeah. And that's a splash blew off in the background.
Oh, you grafted it?
Yeah.
When did you graft it? Last year?
2 years ago.
Wow. It should give you fruit next year.
Probably. That's a beetle leaf.
Beetle leaf? What does that do?
You just graft it. It's a wild beetle leaf. It's not regular beetle leaf. So you just graft it in pork or beef,
Okay.
and then you just grill it, and
Es
they have a very distinct smell.
Es como una especia para los platillos que ellos usan. What's that right here?
That's just a rootstock. That's a persimmon.
Persimmon.
That's just
Persimo.
bar. Yeah.
Yeah,
The rootstock
otra.
is fail, so it's just a rootstock.
That's
Guava, and then all of this is the Tino de Hete that I brought back from Spain. They're all
Dice que fue a España, viajó a España a un viaje de turista y compró unas chirimoyas y le gustaron mucho y se trajo las semillitas. La variedad de la chirimoya allá en España, el fruto se llamaba fino de jete.
just guava, and then the bottom just a bunch of guava.
Tiene guayabas.
Banana.
Estas son bananas.
This is fuerte avocado seedling that I got.
Oh,
I'll just grow them out right
mira, aquí tiene plantitas de semilla de aguacates. Este es
now. Avocados.
aguacates
Fuerte.
de variedad fuerte. Qué bonito está aquí.
This is,
Y abajo tienen las
sugar.
guayabas. Guayabas.
It's a guava. A bunch of guava.
Y aquí estos